Hey guys, Danny here. I'm going to show everything wrong with my new tow rig that I know of so far since buying it. So, if you haven't seen the other video of me buying it, this is a 2003 3500 6.0 liter rear wheel drive van. Rear tires have a little bit of dry rot in there. They got a bit of tread. There's a missing stud on this wheel. These tires are like right down to the wear bar almost. So we need two tires. While we're on this side, you can see one and two little screws holding this mirror in. I already got two mirrors coming. Paint, I'm not too worried about paint. The wipers work. You see the other mirror. Is beat up. While we're on this side, you see the rockers are rusted and they were patched. This door handle is broke, and there's a latch on here to lock it. When you open this up, there's no panel in here, but for $289,000, I don't really care. Now, you gotta like flip this up. This is rusted. The bottom latch is completely rusted. This part of the door, it's rusted. The floor has some rust. There's a big hole there. There's a big hole back there. Inside, there's not too much else wrong over here. Some rust holes. You know, I just need this to tow my race car to and from the track. So, some rustiness here. I'm gonna put a patch of metal and then laying down this fiberboard floor. This is a little rusty, this thing. Some rust through here. The tail lights don't work, like brake lights and blinkers don't work. Only one blinker works on that side. There's one of the doors changed, so there's like 3 keys for this thing. Yep, that one's rusted away. This door, sometimes if you slam it hard, this inside lock like falls down, like there's no like real spring to it anymore. Also, this handle is missing. All the clips on the bottoms are missing. There's a hole in the seat. The heat works. I don't know about the AC. The instrument cluster, it doesn't really light up down here. You have to like hold the like reset, and then it'll display the mileage. And so the headliner's falling down. This light is kind of like knocked out and falling out. Also, the window crank is kind of like missing, and the thing is kind of burred up, like someone screwed with it. That side's broke, but it still works, so it's not too big of an issue. The front left wheel here, there's like a clunk, like a lower control arm, a ball joint. Also, there's a vibration in the rear at about 60 or so. That's not too bad. There's also hard transmission shift when the internet says it's throttle position sensor, which I think I had a code for, so I'm gonna replace that. There's also a leak right about here. Passenger side, the cats have been removed, and there's an exhaust leak in the cobbed up repair. That might not be too bad. Also, the rear door here has been replaced and it's spray painted. I'm gonna scrape it all off and tint the windows. So far, those are the issues that I've encountered. I don't know if there's going to be other mechanical issues. I'm probably going to go through all the fluids. It needs an oil change. I think he owned it for 18,000 miles, and that was 2 years worth of driving. There's, when you hit the brakes, there's a pulsation when you're like coming down to a stop. When you get to the stop sign and you just start getting to like stop, there's like a pulsation in the pedal, like the ABS is screwed up or something, but the light is not on. I don't really know why that is. I also don't have electrical for hitch, so I gotta do that too. And then we'll be towing, hopefully. So that's everything wrong with my new tow rig. Yeah, this is the new tow rig. Yeah, just kidding. It's got plenty of power, just they don't really recommend it. I guess because it's unibody. So far that's all my issues. I'm gonna clean it up. I got the mirrors, I got the handles coming, I got the stuff for the inside door handle, you know, getting there. Okay, so it's all vacuumed up, de-stickerized. And you just put a patch over that, it's not too bad. It's still pretty comfy, it's not like it's down to the metal or anything. Okay, never mind. Right there it is. I could fill that up with some foam and put some tape on it. But I gotta find a way to get a scrubby and a degreaser and scrub all this out. Bang. Bang, bang. So this is like completely torn down of anything that is not the van. I want to paint those. I don't know if I'm paint them white or leave them. So I'll paint the walls, cover up all the wiring. I don't want to mix up any colors, you know, paint them all one color and then you won't know. Very easy to fix whatever wiring issue is going on here. Hook up some trailer lights. I think I might keep this off and put plywood here so I could cover up that a little bit. Maybe run it to here. I'll have to see where the door closes and then mark that so that I can trim this out in plywood and get a way to weld this back on. Just put a plate and weld it. This is pretty much scraped up. I'll probably go over it again before I paint it. Put Rust Performer, but it came out pretty good. That carpet actually stops like right here all the way across. I thought it might have went all the way back, but it doesn't, so I could have just unscrewed the screws and pulled the carpet, but maybe you could do that, but I didn't.